Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so today's the day that I'm taking the bike to SD Wrap, and we're going to get the clear bra as well as the decals installed. But for now, do you know what time it is? Well, it's time for a cold start. Here we go. Oh yeah, never disappoints. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to installing the clear bra on this bike. I don't want to get it scratched up or anything like that. The Ducati emblem is gone. The decal that's going to go on this, it already has the Ducati emblem on it, so not to worry. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? So I have some really good news for you. I got my decals installed and I got the clear bra installed, but there's a twist to the story, because when I went to Evan's shop down at SD Wrap, I gave him everything, I left and I came back, and I was really disappointed, and I actually got very upset that he didn't install the kit. But I completely understand now. The kit was actually pretty garbage, to be honest with you. The film was already pre-cut. Evan's, you know, he's really used to, at SD Wrap, by the way, he's really used to working with XPEL or whatever it's called, the clear bra tape, and it's some really good material. That's the same material that is on my front Porsche. Like, I got the whole hood done. Evan was nice enough to do that for me, but that was for a long time ago, and it's withstood the test of time. It hasn't discolored or anything like that, and the material feels very natural and very good. And so when I brought this crap to him that I bought off of Revzilla, this pre-cut tape, he wasn't that impressed by it initially. He said that we're going to see how this goes, and he installed it. His guy installed it for me, and honestly, it looked like crap. At first I was disappointed because I kind of wasted 2 weeks of my time waiting for him. But then once it was installed, like a portion of it, I noticed that it made the paint look really dull. It made it look like it was aged. Now, I didn't really think about all this stuff whenever I was at a shop, because I felt like I wasted my time and he didn't do the job for me. But after I went home, I felt a whole lot better, because he did install clear bra, but he installed XPEL clear bra on the front of the bike. So anyways, I just want to give a shout out to Evan at SD Wrap for getting this done for me. He was nice enough to do the front of the bike. He wanted to show me what it looked like if he used his versus the crap film that I brought him, and it turned out fantastic. So I'm going to be riding down to La Jolla right now, and once we get down there, I'm going to get off the bike and I'm going to show you everything. And I'm really impressed with it, but I want to know what you think. Let me know in the comment section if you like it or not. I hope you do, but I love it. Other than that, I installed the decals myself. They're pretty simple to install, but you know, it makes it mine now. Like, there is no other bike that looks like mine. Well, maybe there is, but they're far in and in between. And so I like that it's unique. And my other car has stripes, and now this has stripes, and I just like it. So, anyways, we're gonna take a drive now, and I'll show you once we stop. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so we just arrived at a beautiful part of La Jolla that I absolutely love. Bunch of surfers here, gorgeous scenery, views on views galore, as you can tell.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like...
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I just parked right now, and I want to give you a complete walk around of what the bike looks like now versus what it used to look like before. As you can see, I put the decals here and also here on the bottom, and I got the Ducati Corse decal on this side as well as on the other side. And then I also put this decal right here, which makes it look really, really great. Makes it stand out amongst all the other Ducatis. The 959s, the 1299s, 899s, 959s, they're all pretty much look the same, so I made it my own basically. And as you can see, this Ducati emblem here is part of this decal set. So I removed the original Ducati emblem that was actually gray, so now it matches with this decal. So in the link description below, I'm gonna include links to all the stuff that I purchased. But I don't know if you can see it or not, but this front part right here, all of this, from up here all the way to down here, including, let's see here. Let's see if I can find it. But anyways, all of this, except for this part here, but all of this has been clear brought. I don't know if you can see it, if it's pretty sunny right now, but let me see, maybe this will be a little bit more. Can you see that on the screen? I don't know if you can see that, but this is like the clear bra is basically around this little bolt right here. And same thing with up here. Hopefully it focuses on the camera. I'm using my iPhone right now, so if the sound and the video is not all that clear, I apologize in advance. There it is. Hopefully that's a little bit more clear. But anyways, overall, I'm very, very happy with how everything went. Really, really happy with how everything went. Really happy with the way it looks right now. Anyways, a big shout out to Evan over at SD Wraps. If you're in San Diego, I highly recommend them for decals and installing clear bra on your car. They did a special job for me. They weren't really supposed to add any clear bra to bikes because that's just not something that they do. I think it's far more complicated to do a bike than in a car. But if you have a car, you can always bring it to them and they do a fantastic job. They use the Expel film, which is probably the best thing out there. But anyways, please like and subscribe this video if you want to see more of this. And I would really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next episode. Thanks. Over and out.
Every single day